Hey guys, you're welcome back to my YouTube channel. Okay guys, so if you're new, you are so and highly welcome. Alright, so in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to get rid of arm fats. There are two ways that I am going to be showing you this. One which is a very very easy going arm exercise, and two, a natural drink that would help you to flush out the fat. When you do this little exercise, the fat cells have actually been disturbed, so when you immediately take the drink, it will wash down those fats. Do you put that together? Yeah, so that's what I'm going to be showing you today. So if you want to know what the video is and the ingredients, do stay put, and don't forget to thumbs up, subscribe and share the video, and let me take you right into this video. To lose those huge and floppy hands and the fat arms, we're going to be needing to use apple cider vinegar, and you have to use the apple cider vinegar that contains the mother in it, and it has to be an organic apple cider vinegar. That way this remedy is going to be very effective, and it's going to be working really well. Yeah, so this is how we're going to be mixing it. We are going to be grabbing a glass cup, okay, and you're going to be needing a warm water. You're going to turn in just like what I have here, guys. The water has to be warm. This remedy, you would have to take it warm. It has to be really warm, okay, because if it's not warm, it's not going to be as effective as it should be. So what you're going to do now is that you're going to shake your apple cider vinegar, and then you're going to use the cup, okay. You're going to take 2 cups of the apple cider vinegar. For more effective result, 2 cups in a glass cup. And now the next ingredient, which is very important also, is lemon. Now, because lemon is citric in nature, using it alongside with all of this natural remedy would make it work really well, guys. And you have to use it just the exact way I'm going to be showing you in this video. It's going to help you, plus other things that I'm going to be showing you. So make sure to watch the video till the end so you can grab all of the full benefits of this fat arm remedy. So what you're going to do is that, since you are putting in 2 cups of apple cider vinegar, you're not going to be needing too much of the lemon, so you can as well just get half cut of your lemon, extract the seed if possible, okay, and then just squeeze in the juice into the glass cup. Squeeze in all of the juice. Okay, so the more you squeeze, the more the juice comes out until you're left with nothing in the lemon. Yeah, and then also we're going to be making use of turmeric. Now, turmeric is a great spice which is used for spicing up your food. Yeah, so using a pinch of turmeric for this tea is going to make it work really well. If you've not tasted turmeric before, now this is a great opportunity for you to do that. And when you want to take turmeric, this is what you're going to do. Now, do not take too much of it, okay, just a little would go a whole long way. Now, this is the quantity that you're required to take at a time. Yeah, just a little pinch, just at the tip of a teaspoon. Yeah, okay, and you cover that up. Now, after that is done, you have to stir it, okay. You know that you're actually mixing it in the warm water, so you have to stir so that the turmeric can dissolve, because you need it to dissolve into the water. Yeah, so you stir a little before you add up the last ingredients. Okay, so the last ingredient is honey, and this is completely optional. Now let me tell you why it is optional. Now honey would sweeten the taste of this tea, but it is still a very good remedy for reduction of fats. But if you want to skip it, you are really free to skip it, because when you drink this just the way it is right now, it is very slappy. When you drink it, you're going to see the results really well. And this is not just going to flatten, not just for your hand, but for your general body. Yeah, it's also going to help to reduce fat. Yeah, so what I'm going to do here, I'm going to be taking just a little honey, and then you stir it, because if you don't stir it, the honey is just going to sit at the bottom, and you have to stir it for it to be dissolved. Okay, and this is your tea for your flappy hands. Okay, now the next thing you're going to get here is that you're going to be seeing me, do the little exercise for your flappy hands. As long as you take this, you can equally do this very simple exercise that I'm going to be showing you shortly. Yeah, so you take this morning and evening if necessary. Okay, like if really important, if you want to really fasten the fat reduction, you take this morning and evening and follow suit with the exercise. Make sure the exercise is at your convenience. Do not really stress yourself too much, but just do it at your convenience and you're good to go, guys. Yeah, so I'm going to be showing you the exercise. For this, let me have a taste, and then I'll tell you how it does taste. But of course, I've been drinking it. Yeah, so this actually tastes slappy because of the lemon as well as the apple cider vinegar. When you want to use this, do not use too much of the turmeric, and this is good, yeah, for your general body fat. So try this out, plus the little simple exercise, and it will help you so much to remove all of those fats at your arm area. Hey guys, so this is one of the, look at my hands. I have a little bit of this shaky hand. Okay, the thing is that why I actually did the exercise part and the fat removal part, which is the juice, is that since I personally am breastfeeding right now, I won't be able to drink some of those juice, so that's why we do exercise. So this is one of it that you're going to be needing. Yeah, so this is how my hand is. Okay, so this is the exercise. Now when you do that, you're going to notice that there's going to be force around this place. Do not do it too much so that you won't have to feel that pain. Just little at a time. Yeah, do the same thing. So 5 at a time, and then you do the straight one like this. Okay, so and then you turn your back and do like this. Yeah, as if you're doing weightlifting. Then you turn this way and you do like that again, and then you clap just like that. Okay, So those are the very simple exercise that you can do, plus this other one that you do like this. Those are very simple exercise that you can do to, you know, remove your arm fat with the drink. Using the drink also is going to be very effective and very helpful. Okay, so do not forget to do this one. You take it up. When you take it up like that, you see here is dancing, so that's where the force is going to be. Okay. Okay, so when you do like that, you don't do the one that will actually pain you, okay, so that you can continue. Now when you do like that, then you have to stretch. You draw it, stretch. Now the stretch is actually going to help you so that you don't feel pain, because there's no way you're going to do exercise without pain. But the stretch would help you so that you don't feel pain. Yeah, so that's it. Follow suit with the drink and you're good to go. Okay, that's it guys. Go do this very simple exercise, but do not do it too much because you don't want to, you know, have some pain. After which you've done it, you can, you know, do the stretching part and then take this drink and you are good to go. Yeah, so I have also been taking this and it has been helping me. Yeah, all right, so if you do love this video, please don't forget to give it a huge thumbs up and subscribe to my YouTube channel and share the video, and I will see you again. Bye guys, and stay beautiful.